If you're thinking about selling your home in 2020, this video is about how to get your house ready to sell. And that video is coming right up. Welcome. I'm glad you're back. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Andy Elliott. I work with DeSelms Real Estate here in Williamson County, Tennessee, and we serve the Nashville area. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos as they come along. If you'd like to find out the value of your home or see Nashville homes online, those links are in the description box below. The 2020 housing market looks to be a lot like 2019, with lower inventory favoring the seller a bit. But don't fall into the trap of thinking because demand is higher, every listing will sell. The steps in this video are not going to be your normal fix this and paint that kind of a list, though they're in there. I'm truly excited to share the winning formula for selling a house, taught to me by one of the top agents in the country. So let's rock this thing. I'm going to start with the most important number one of all, and that's you. If you're in a situation where you have to move, job change, divorce, something dramatic and inevitable, that's one thing. That's a here I come ready or not kind of a moment. But for most everything else, a desire to move to a new city or a new state, downsizing because the kids moved out, or upsizing because more kids are in the plan or on the way, those situations require you to be ready. If you'll talk to your lender to make sure that you're financially prepared, you will have started well. So step number one, be prepared financially. For most sellers, the actual sales price is the engine that pulls the train. Subsequent decisions like down payment amount, loan amount, the price of the next home are all based on that actual selling price. And sometimes getting to the list price isn't as easy as you think. Comps, comparables, CMAs, comparative market analysis, a What's Your Home Worth website, they're all based on one idea: your home being the best it can be compared to others in your neighborhood. Being honest with yourself about the condition of your home is key. Sometimes the things we think bring value to a home may not be valuable to others, like the hot tub in the master bedroom or 3-inch padding under the shag carpet in the living room. If you're using Zillow to find a number, just understand Zillow is ballpark at best. Maybe have an agent come by, maybe two, have them give you their take on your home value, and don't be upset with the number they give you. This may fall into the being honest with yourself category. Like I said, the actual sales price sets the stage for a smooth or not so smooth transaction for you. And likely you're counting on X number of dollars from the home sale, so the obvious next question is, how do I get the most money from my home? Let me paint you a picture. Most of us have forgotten what it's like to go house shopping. Buyers go from house to house, one after the other, often taking notes, comparing likes and dislikes on each one. And as a buyer's agent, what I've found is that list will change from what we like to what we're going to need to fix. And I'm telling you straight up, most all buyers start looking for a bargain. That's how they start the process. And what that means is, we'll do some repairs if we can save some money. But then, almost every time, they end up buying the house that's the most move-in ready. I've seen this time after time after time after time. So what does research or competition mean exactly? Look at the sold listings in your neighborhood, especially the ones that sold pretty quickly. You're looking at a blueprint for success right there. Were they updated, new paint, great curb appeal? Whatever they did, you'll have to consider doing as well. Now, look at the actives, the homes currently for sale. That's your competition at the moment. Does your home beat theirs? And surely by the time you list, there'll be a whole new crop of them. Just remember, solds set the price, actives are your competition. The winning formula is this: a home that is in slightly better condition for a slightly lower price sells first and for top dollar every time. The winning formula is this: a home that is in slightly better condition for a slightly lower price sells first and for top dollar every time. Now that you understand the competition, the rest should be easy. Maybe not easy to do, but easy to understand. Make the curb appeal so inviting the buyers just have to go inside. Paint the front door, change the key set and the doorknob so that the first thing they touch is perfect. Declutter, paint the walls if needed, do the repairs, clean like crazy, use a light fragrance air freshener, not that heavy duty stuff that seems like you're trying to hide the fragrance of a dead body. Master bedrooms, master bath, and kitchens should be showcased. They should be perfect. Now you're probably wondering, if I have to update, how far do I go with that? Well, the simple answer is, what's your competition doing? If you can't afford to do what they did, just know going in, you may sell for a little bit less. But here's my point. Won't it be awesome knowing this stuff going in, making plans based on real numbers, virtually eliminating the home sale stress? It will be awesome. Now you know what it takes to get your home ready to sell. The next step is to list your property for sale by owner and maybe using an agent, but you got the heavy lifting out of the way. So here's the wrap up. Your competition is everything, and the idea of pricing it right just isn't enough anymore. When buyers go home after seeing 5 or 7 homes in a few hours or 20 homes in a week, you want yours to be the one that they can't get out of their head because that house was in great shape and the price really makes sense. Let's get that one. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I liked making it. I'm particularly proud of being able to share my good friend Terry DeSalm's selling ideas. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos as they come along. Leave a comment and give me a like, will you? Talk to you soon.